And former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin says he will not testify after being charged in the death of George Floyd. Experts say taking the stand could have helped humanize Chauvin to jurors who haven't heard from him directly at trial, but it also could have opened him up to a devastating cross-examination. Court TV's Chanley Painter has the latest.
All the evidence is in the trial of Derek Chauvin in the death of George Floyd. Today, Chauvin addressed the court for the first time since the start of the murder trial and answered the lingering question of whether or not he would testify in his own defense.
Mr. Nelson makes a lot of the decisions in trial, but one he cannot make for you is whether or not you testify. And he can give you advice, and you can take that advice or reject that advice. But the decision ultimately has to be yours and not his. Is this your decision not to testify?
It is, Your Honor.
All right.
Earlier today, prosecutors notified the court that they plan to call a rebuttal witness and introduce newly discovered evidence in the case. The state wanted to present carbon monoxide testing results in light of the testimony of the defense expert, Dr. David Fowler. The defense argued that the state had ample time to bring that evidence forward, and ultimately, Judge Peter Cahill decided not to allow in any evidence or testimony from Dr. Martin Tobin about that test on carbon monoxide in the body. Closing arguments will be on Monday morning before the jury will be sequestered during deliberations in this case. We'll continue to keep you updated from here in downtown Minneapolis. This is Chanley Painter with Court TV.